Hello everyone, welcome to the beautiful platform of Adhyalay. We are here to learn about taxonomical aids. Cool? So let's begin, but before we do that, let me make sure that everyone has done the homework. I received messages from everyone, right? Ki ma'am, we have done the homework. Yes? Yes. So this is what we were learning yesterday. You need to learn this taxonomy category in the sequence, right? And there are multiple ways to remember it. I had asked you to remember it by any way you prefer. है ना? There are so many ways to remember. I have remembered it using this. King Philip came over for great soup. And that's how we remember kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species, right? If you can see over here, I have written cohort. Can you see? Cohort, H-O-R-T, cohort. What is this cohort? Not there in NCERT, but this has been asked previously. That's why I am mentioning it. Cohort is placed below class and above order. Cohort, if you come across this question, you should know that cohort is placed below class and above order. Cohort. Please make a note of it. So many things extra we need not learn, but little things which comes in exam, at least that we will make a note. Cohort is below class and above order. Cohort. That is also a category. Cool? Taxon. Now, related to this, few things we have to discuss. I have species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. So the term phylum we use for animal or plant. The phylum term is used for animals, and for plants we use the term division. Plant के लिए what do we use? For plants we use the term division. Got it? For plants we use the term division, and for animal we use the term phylum. This is clear? Now, if I go from species to kingdom, ठीक है? I am going from species to kingdom. What will happen to the number of common characters if I go from species towards kingdom? What will happen to the number of common characters? Will it increase or will it decrease? Think. Species is the lowest rank, right? Lowest category. Then genus is actually what? Group of species. Family is what? Group of genus. And same way it goes on. Yes, Swati is right. Others? If we go from species towards kingdom, what happens? Number of common characters will decrease or increase? Chalo. I really want the answer from you. So let me explain it a bit more. Swati has answered it correctly. The lowest category is what? Species, right? Lowest one is species. Now, in the species, we are there, right? For example, human beings. We are one species, yes or no? We are one species. That is one group, one species. Then let's say monkey. Monkey. That's another set of species, right? Let's say rice plant. आपको बहुत सारे variety मिलते हैं, right? You get lots of varieties of rice, wheat, but that is one species. Yes? So why am I keeping human beings in one category species? Why am I keeping monkey in one species? Because the number of characters resemble more among all the types of monkey. Number of characters resemble more among all the human beings which you know. Me, you, Hitesh, Azam, Raj, Swati. Each one of us, we all are same species. Though we are different human beings, but we are same species, my dear. Right? So in species, we keep animals like this. Right? Let's say I am going to genus. Huh? So what will I do in genus? Just for an example, okay? What will I do? I will put human beings and monkey in one group. I will put human beings and monkey in one group. Think what happened to number of common character? Number of character, the common character is going to be more in species or genus. Think, I have put human and monkey in one group here, and in species, I keep only human beings in one category, one different category. So human being will share more common character among each other, or human being and monkey will share more character. Answer this first of all. Who are going to share more character? Monkey human being or human being human being? Human being, right? Now apply the same thing. What I said, that as you go up, what you do? In genus, you combine the species. In family, you combine the genus. In order, you combine the family. Different family you are putting. So as I go up from species to kingdom, what will happen to the number of common characters? Answer it now. Swati and Azam, they have answered it correct. As I go from species to kingdom, what is going to? We go from species to kingdom, number of common characters decrease. Similarly, if I come from kingdom towards species, from kingdom towards species, the number of common character will increase. Because in animal kingdom, we keep everything. Ant, monkey, gorilla, right? Human beings, lizard, you name it. Every organism, every animal is kept in animal kingdom. So obviously the number of common character is less as compared to species, because in species, human being is one species. So obviously we share more characters, right? So this concept everyone should know. As you come down from top to bottom, common characters increases. As you go from bottom to top, the common characters decreases. Got it? So I had asked you this also to remember. This was the homework. Everyone has done it? Yes? The species? What is the genus? What's the family? What's the order? Then what's the class? What's the phylum or division? If it is animal, you will use the term phylum. If it is plant, you will use the term division. Yes, I hope everyone has learnt it. Very easy it is. Homo is the genus. Sapiens, that is the species. Hominidae is the family. I had told you. Animal family ends with dei. है ना? Dei. Hominidae. Order is what? Primata. We are primates. Class, we are mammal. And then phylum, we are chordata. Housefly, Musca domestica. Musca is the genus. It is an animal. Musidae. Diptera is the order. Insecta is the class. Phylum is Arthropoda. Mango. Now plant family, it will end with CAE, right? And you can see the plant order. Most of the plant orders, they end with ale. Sapindale, Poale, right? Most of the plant order, they end with ales. Okay? Rest dicot, monocot, and division will be angiosperm, because they both are producing fruit, right? If any plant is producing fruit, that is angiosperm. Yes? So mango, wheat, both are what? Angiosperms. Cool? Then if you want to have a quick recap, we can have it. Species. I told you human beings are kept in one group. Dogs, one group. Monkeys, one group. There are different varieties of dog, isn't it? There are different varieties of dogs, but they are one species. There are different types of human beings. Some are good, some are bad, some are very good, some are very nice to you, some are so like always they scold you. There are different types, but still they all are human beings. Some eat non-veg, some eat veg, है ना? Right? Some are theist, some are atheist. So there are different varieties, but still they are same human being. So how do we actually say that it is one species? They should, very important point, they should interbreed. है ना? Why we are keeping human beings in one category, one species? Because human beings can interbreed with each other. Human beings can